Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. And in this video I'm going to share with you how you can change your username or unique name in your Hilokal language app. So you can see it's the home page. You need to click your profile page. So you can see the option. So this one, simply click on your profile page. So once you click on profile icon, then here you will see it's your profile page. Then click here the pencil icon, the right side, this one, simply click on that. Then your unique id, so the first option, it can be only one name, it can be unique. Okay, it can be unique. So you can see if I just type my name, so it's available. So okay, so you have to check that which name it's available. And I'm just how to do it, so I'm just giving the name, my channel name, and so it's available. You can see the option, it's available, and then click save. Okay, and it's okay, you can change your username or unique id through this way. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's Norman, thank you for watching.